How to use free overdraft coverage on Cash App. So how does Cash App Overdraft work? Basically, they give you a loose buffer of up to $50 past your actual balance. The absolute best part is that it's completely free. Zero overdraft fees, zero penalties, which is wild compared to regular banks. For example, let's say your account is sitting at $10, but you need a $20 tank of gas. Cash App just covers the difference. Your balance drops to negative $10, and it just squares up automatically the next time you get paid or add cash. No stress. To lock this in, you only need two things: an active Cash App card and at least $300 in total direct deposits hitting your account each month. If that's you, grab your phone and let's flip the switch. First, tap Open Cash App and hit that little Card tab on your bottom menu bar. Next, just scroll down the list until you spot the option labeled Free Overdraft Coverage. Give that a tap. From there, the app will show you a quick feature summary page. If your account qualifies, just hit that big green Continue button at the bottom, and you are officially covered. By the way, if you don't have your paycheck linked yet, don't worry. The app will actually pop up a super easy walkthrough right then and there to help you transfer your direct deposit over. And you're all set. Now that your overdraft safety net is sorted, you can start using your account for advanced features. Click right here to watch my step-by-step guide on how to buy Bitcoin on Cash App and send to another wallet. Next. See you there.